Flex2power is the Flex2 future concept for energy production on an offshore floating installation. The facility is designed and well suited to withstand the stresses of offshore exposure for 25 years. The concept is unique on a global scale, as no other concept uses a shared foundation to this extent to support the production of electricity from several renewable sources. The concept is based on a large floating foundation of steel and concrete that is flexible and works with the forces of the sea. This solution significantly reduces the weight of the foundation. The foundation will lay on top of the sea surface like a blanket. The total installed capacity of a full-scale plant is planned to be 100 megawatts. On the same foundation, electricity is generated from wind, waves, currents, and the sun. The pilot plant will be constructed using the corner section of a full-scale plant. It is planned to have a 5-megawatt wind turbine, 72 DC motors used as generators with an installed capacity of 14 megawatts, and solar panels with a capacity of 0.2 megawatts for a total installed capacity of 19.2 megawatts. On a full-scale plant, the size of wind turbines is planned to be scaled up to 10 megawatts. The Flex2power concept is independent of the wind turbine type, as long as it is certified for offshore use on a floating foundation. The pilot has an integrated electric system generating electric energy from forces and moments on the floating foundation. Wind, waves, and currents in the sea make the foundation move 24/7. This movement makes the electric DC motors rotate, transforming the energy into electric energy. The DC motors used in this application are similar to electric motors used in electric cars. Solar panels will be mounted on top of the rigid frame that hosts the turbine tower. A pilot plant is a good way to demonstrate the technology, along with the concept's ability to produce electricity using renewable energy sources such as wind, waves, and solar. The footprint for the Flex2power concept is significantly smaller than other offshore wind concepts, whether bottom-fixed or floating. In a park-level configuration, Flex2power occupies only 10% of the sea surface area compared to other offshore wind concepts currently under development. In a park-level configuration, capacity can be scaled up to the level needed for any park. This small footprint is mindful of its surroundings while still taking a big step towards a sustainable future.